Hi guys, it's me, Lydia Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight we're going to talk very briefly about the new products from Tracee Ellis Ross Hairline Pattern Beauty. I received the shampoo and the intensive conditioner. I actually went and ordered it from Ulta last week when it became available on their website, and I got the travel pack that gives you the shampoo, the conditioner, and also the leave-in. So I got to try all three patterns. I'm gonna wash my hair this evening. Last week I did use the leave-in conditioner, and I'll have some thoughts on that later, but I do need to wash my hair this evening, and I'm gonna try the intensive conditioner as my deep condition. Right now my hair is growing out. I had a tapered cut for years, and I'm just now letting my hair get some length to it. So as it gets some length to it, I'm going to need to start getting products that are moisturizing and that can hold in the moisture. My hair has a few different patterns, but when it grows out and it's full, it really is a 4B, 4C pattern, especially up here in the center of my head. I have a different texture in the back, a different texture in the front. So that's why I need something with some heavy hydration. So I'm gonna be trying out the shampoo. Then I'm gonna deep condition with the intensive conditioner, and I will come back and I'll give you my thoughts on. Right, so I've washed my hair. It's nice and squeaky clean. And now I'm gonna go and take this heavy condition for coilies. And I am going to add some and then deep condition. So I'm gonna take about that much. I'm gonna try that much out for my hair. If I need a little more, then I'll add it, but, ooh, okay. The thickness is really thick. I wasn't expecting that. Ooh, wow. I really wasn't expecting the consistency of that, but ooh, a little bit will probably go a long way in my hair. I'm gonna take a little bit more for the back. I just took that much, a little bit more. But this is like a, ooh, and it smells good. Okay, Tracee. Okay, Tracee. So I'm going to get everything moisturized. And you can still see it's right there, right? And it's all over. And I really did need a lot. Oh my God, my hair is so soft. Oh my goodness. And I'm just using my hands to untangle what is tangled, but my hair is so soft. Oh wow. And it smells so good and fresh. It's not too heavy, not too perfumey, because I really am funny about smells. But this smells really good, really fresh. So I'm gonna set the timer on my iPad for 15 minutes because it's late. And I'm gonna put my cap on, do what I need to do, get ready for tomorrow. I'm gonna come back, rinse it out, and then I will give my final thoughts. So. Hey guys, so I'm back. I've let my hair deep condition. It's been about 15 minutes and I rinsed it out, and I promise you my hair is so soft. It's not even funny, it's so soft. It's like, it is so soft. I don't think I've had my hair this soft with just a wash and condition in a really long time. The conditioner, it smells good. It's heavy consistency. It's almost like a body cream, kind of that kind of thickness, and it smells so good. So I left it on, I deep conditioned, and my hair is super soft. I'm very curious to see how this is gonna do when my hair gets longer. I will keep using the conditioner for sure. As you can see, shrinkage, you know, wash it, a little water and things like that. But normally when my hair is longer, I would go ahead and, you know, twist it up or anything like that. But tonight, since it's still a little damp, I'm gonna go ahead and towel dry it. I'm gonna put my oil on my scalp, give myself a scalp massage, brush my hair one at a time, and then tie it up for the night, which would be normally, you know, my routine after that. But in the morning, I am gonna try again the leave-in conditioner. I tried this first before I tried anything else. And I believe this is why she gave us the oil to go along with things, because it does need that little extra oomph with it, with this leave-in, to give it like a good moisturizing feel. When I just used this after washing my hair in the morning, it was just kind of like throughout the day, the curls look good, but then I just noticed kind of like it was lacking that moisture for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this with some oil the next time and style it like I normally would in the morning, and then come back and see how that goes. But so far, the shampoo, the conditioner, Tracee, you did that. And I'm really definitely recommend, especially this conditioner. Whew, girl, I don't know what you did, but thank you, because it is the truth. So I would definitely recommend if you wanted to try that, because the products are, I think for the big bottles, they're like 24 each. And for one of these small bottles, for 3 ounces, it's $9. So if you want to try it and you're, you know, you want to save on the price and things like that, I would recommend getting the 3-pack travel kit from Ulta, which I got for $24. So, and that's a really good deal, because as thick as this product is and as thick as the shampoo is, I feel like it would stretch for a while. If you have longer, thicker hair, you might need more, but for right now, with my hair length, I feel like this is going to be a really good product right now, and a really good size that I need. In the morning, I'll style it up and I'll take a few shots so you can see. But that's honestly my review on Pattern Beauty. I think it's great, so I would definitely recommend. So it's the morning, and this morning I used the leave-in conditioner with a little bit of jojoba and almond oil on my hair, just to give it that extra softness. And I gotta say, my curls are popping. That intensive conditioner last night really gave me the softness that I was looking for with a deep condition. I really recommend that conditioner. It's so good. So my thoughts on the Pattern Beauty so far, A+. I can't wait to see what it's gonna do as my hair gets a little bit longer, and I'll continue to use it. And I know it's different for those who have a longer, thicker hair right now. So let me know your thoughts. If you've been using this line, let me know how you like it, what you don't like about it. Just leave a message in the comments down there. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys the next time. I am so late for work. Bye.